Okay, so here's something interesting I learned this week. It's not exactly new information in the sense that, well, I had heard something like it before and I had some idea vaguely, but it's the first time anyone really spelled it out to me in very clear terms. And it's this guy, Bill Bryson, in A Short History of Nearly Everything, which my scientist friend tells me has a lot of things in it that are wrong, so I did cross-check the information on this particular point. It's about the origin of life, and it's about the fact that life, all the life that we know on this planet, it all started just once. Just once. Because I had this sort of image of a primeval swamp, right, with, I don't know, some sort of chemical stuff going on, and these things getting going that were life, that was happening in that environment. But it's not like that at all. It's so complex that it only happened once. At least, if it did happen before the one time that we know of, there's no trace of it. It all got wiped out. Because every single life form on this planet is related to us. We are connected. I mean, hello plant, relative. Apparently 50% of my genes are in a banana. And yeah, I suppose I had kind of known that before, but I never really thought through the implications. He talks about how stunningly difficult it was to happen, and that doesn't all agree with the cross-checking that I did. There is a theory out there, something published in the New Scientist a while back, saying that, well, we don't know, life might have started more than once, but the fact remains that everything around me that I see and everything on this planet is in some way related to me.